How to upload a theme export in Shopify. To upload a theme export in Shopify, you'll need to follow a few straightforward steps. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the Online Store section in the left-hand menu. From there, click on Themes to access your theme management page. Once you're on the Themes page, look for the Import Theme button, which is typically located near the top of the page. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu, and then select Upload Zip File from the options presented. This action will open a file selection dialog. In the file selection dialog, locate the zip file containing your exported theme on your computer. This file should have been previously downloaded or exported from another Shopify store or provided by a theme developer. Select the zip file and click Open to begin the upload process. Shopify will then process the file, which may take a few moments depending on the size of the theme and your internet connection speed. After the upload is complete, you'll see the new theme appear in your theme library. At this point, you can preview the theme to ensure it looks as expected, make any necessary customizations, or publish it to make it your active storefront theme. Remember that uploading a new theme doesn't automatically make it live on your store. You'll need to manually publish it if you want it to be visible to your customers.